All right, folks. Today we have ourselves a bit of corporate drama. Yeah, we're diving deep into the world of drones, lawsuits, and some primetime legal pettiness. This is the video that'll make you want to grab your popcorn and watch the fireworks. Or in this case, hear about it. Now we all know DJI. They're the big dogs of drones, selling to hobbyists, police departments, firefighters, companies, photographers, you name it. But recently, they've been in a bit of a mess with the US Department of Defense, who labeled them a Chinese military company, or CMC for short. Which naturally DJI was like, excuse me, what now? And this is where it gets spicy. DJI's been fighting back saying, hey, can you tell us why you're slapping this label on us? And get this, the Department of Defense didn't exactly jump at the chance to explain. Classic. DJI says it took them 16 months, yeah, you heard that right, 16 months of pulling legal teeth just to get the reason behind the accusation. And when they finally did, the document was apparently full of inaccuracies. Can you imagine fighting for over a year just to get a document back that looks like someone pulled it together half asleep? Brutal. Now DJI doesn't just roll over and accept this. They go point by point, fact checking the DoD, and I gotta say, they did it in the most savage way possible. So let me give you a taste of what this lawsuit looks like. So here's the first gem. DJI was accused of having a relationship with a Chinese military academy because one of their products was used in a patent application. DJI's response? DJI has no control over whether a research university buys and uses an off-the-shelf DJI product. Yeah, basically, they said, we sell drones to everyone. We're not gatekeeping who buys them. And here's the best part. The patent in question didn't just use DJI tech. It used parts from NVIDIA and Sony too. So DJI hits back with, if using off-the-shelf products makes us a military company, then I guess NVIDIA and Sony are military companies too. Mic drop. And if you thought that was the end of it, hold on. So DJI throws in another punch, pointing out that their drones are used by researchers, including the United States Air Force. So following the DoD's logic, does that make DJI an American military company too? Now, this is some next level legal gymnastics. It's like watching a courtroom match where one side is swinging a racket made out of wet spaghetti. If this isn't legal popcorn material, I don't know what is. Now, all jokes aside, this is a pretty big deal. We're talking about the largest drone company in the world fighting a serious allegation, and the outcome of this case could have some pretty hefty consequences for DJI, the drone industry, and maybe even the tech world as a whole. But for now, it's interesting to say the least, especially if you enjoy a little courtroom drama with a side of snark. So check it out if that's your thing, or you could just stay tuned here because I'll be keeping my eye on this one. Also, if you want to read the entire complaint, I'll link it in the description. But for now, I'll just leave it here. So make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the legal pettiness as much as I did. Also subscribe for all my photography and drone related content, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Also, visit my website jeff-gresham.com to pick up my brand new Lightroom preset pack that features 13 presets made by me that I use every day for only $10. And until next time, get out there and shoot. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.